Hi, David Murphy with BayWa RE Solar Systems with Marc Inniss from Fronius. Marc, what are you guys showcasing at SPI?
Today we are showcasing a couple of new things. More importantly, let's take a look at the SPI Advanced. This is our commercial three-phase system that we use for most of our C&I projects. What's new about the SPI Advanced is that it has the first SunSpec certified built-in transmitter for module level shutdown and NEC 2017 compliance. And now we have the Fronius Primo Gen 24 series. We just launched this year at SPI. What this is a true hybrid inverter. As you can see, it's coupled here with the BYD storage unit. We're just displaying this to introduce it to the residential sector so that customers now have the option for PV, but also planning for the future for all their storage needs.
Awesome. And Marc, timing on this? When will this be available?
This should be available to all the market about like Q1, maybe like February or March.
Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Great show.